Still struggling to create story videos? Characters don't stay consistent. Animation is done manually. Hours are wasted fixing mistakes. There is a better way. In this video, a powerful 2-extension workflow is revealed that solves all of these problems. No more broken character consistency, no more manual scene generation, no more animating clips one by one. By the end of this video, you will understand how to automate the entire story creation process and build consistent character stories the smart way. Story-based YouTube channels are scaling rapidly right now and converting those views into thousands of dollars in recurring income. And they are doing it consistently. This is not luck, it is workflow. High-performing channels rely on automation pipelines to scale production while maintaining character consistency in cinematic quality. Here is how that pipeline works. Let's begin. Step 1. Generate story ideas in full story. Open ChatGPT. First, generate multiple story ideas using prompt 1. Select one strong concept. Then generate the full story from that idea using prompt 2. Once the story is generated, proceed to character creation. Step 2. Generate the characters. Use prompt 3 to extract and design the characters. These prompts will be used to create consistent character references. For episode-based channels, if you are building a multi-episode series with the same characters, such as cartoons or story universes, your environments should also remain consistent. For example, the character's home, the garden, the classroom or city background. Generate these environment references once and reuse them across future episodes. In this tutorial, the primary focus is character consistency. However, the same method applies to recurring locations. Step 3. Generate scene prompts with characters included. Now you have character prompts, scene prompts, animation prompts, voiceover script. Step 4. Generate character references. Open Whisk. Generate all character images first. Download the reference images. These will ensure character consistency across every scene. Also generate your scene images in story order. Step 5. Prepare scene queue in Whisk Automator. Normally, you would upload references and generate each image manually, scene by scene. But this entire process can be automated. To do that, go to the link in the description and install the Whisk Automator extension. Open Whisk Automator and switch to image mode. Upload your character reference images first. Now open your scene prompts list. Check which characters are included in each scene. Enter the prompts in exact story order. If scene 1, 2, 3, and 4 contain the same characters, enter those prompts sequentially and select the same character references for them. Then add them to the queue. When a different character appears in the next scene, update the selected references accordingly and continue adding prompts to the queue. Repeat this process without changing the original prompt sequence. Add all prompts to the queue in the exact order of the story. Once all prompts are prepared, the entire batch is ready for automation. Step 7. Animate images. To animate the images, choose one of these. Kling Gen with Kling AI. Flow Automator with Google Flow. In this case, Flow Automator is used. Go to the link in the description and install Flow Automator. Open Flow Automator. Switch to image to video mode. Upload all scene images in order. Attach the correct animation prompt to each image. Prepare all scenes first, then click Start. Flow Automator will animate all images. Download everything. Your story is now fully animated. Step 8. Generate voiceover. Open Google Studio. Use Google Studio Voices to generate narration. Paste the story narration. Select your preferred voice. Generate and download the audio files. Step 9. Final edit. Open CapCut or any preferred video editor. Import animated clips, voiceover audio, background music, align scenes with narration, adjust timing if needed, add transitions or subtle effects, export the final video. This is how you automate your entire story creation workflow, from idea to final video. All extension links are in the description. If you need a 45,000 credit flow account, drop an email to the address below. And if you are a content creator on any social media platform, you can request free access to our software. Send us an email with your details. Subscribe to Autoplay Labs for more AI automation tutorials. See you in the next video.